Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's makeup tutorial is just my everyday makeup routine, so it's going to be a voiceover. I apologize. But I start with the new Hydrating Porefessional primer from Benefit and apply that all over my face, and then go in with the Benefit Boho Concealer to conceal any redness and spots on my face. I like to do this because then I use less foundation so my skin looks a lot less cakey. I use a beauty blender to blend that into my face. Next, I go on with the Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Wear Foundation. I really like this foundation. I would say it's a medium to full coverage. It's definitely buildable, but with one layer, I do not think that it's full coverage. Next is the Morphe Concealer, which is very full coverage, and I really like this concealer lately. Use it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, and chin. Then I use the Anastasia loose setting powder. I use both vanilla and translucent. The translucent is to set my entire face, and then I don't really show it in the video, but then I bake with the vanilla powder. If I bake with the translucent, it's a little bit too white. Then I use the Illuminating setting powder from Bare Minerals to put under my eyes, just to give a little brightness under my eyes. Next is the Hoola Bronzer, which I use very frequently. As you can tell, I actually hit pan on it. Next is the Morphe Pop a Fuchsia Blush Trio, which has also been a favorite lately. And this is the Ofra Boho palette here. And I just use a really fluffy brush and just blend a little bit of a warm tone brown into my crease, and then use the highlighter with my finger on my lid, and that is all I do for my eye makeup. Next is the Monsieur Big Mascara, my favorite mascara in the whole world. You might see some lash glue residue on my eye, but that's pretty much par for the course. I always have lash glue on my lash line. Next is highlighter, and I use the Ofra Cosmetics Blissful highlighter. And that is the Anastasia highlighter brush, which is my favorite brush to use for highlighting. And this is the Morphe lipstick. I think it's the cream lipstick in Whipped. And then this is the Lunar Beauty Dreamy gloss, which is my favorite lip gloss. And that is it for the tutorial, you guys. I know it's quick and it's super simple though, and I hope you love the tutorial. And I'll see you guys soon.